Hello everyone, Brad here with Custom Offsets. Got episode lifts and levels. This is a little something different, I guess. I mean, we usually are doing BDS, but we got a close second here. This is a zone kit. This is going to be their 6.5-inch kit for 2014 and up GM 1500 trucks. Pretty similar to the BDS kit in many ways, meaning the knuckles are the same, same differential drops, etc., stuff like that. The different thing with the zone kit is there's no new lift struts up front. We're going to use the strut spacers, so you're going to be reusing the factory struts with the spacers on top. Lower control arm drop cross members are a little different in the sense that they're just kind of plain Jane looking. They don't make high clearance cross members or anything like that. Still just as functional, same amount of drop and everything like that. They're just simply more plain. That's why the kit's less expensive. We got our CV spacers here, CV axle spacers, because this kit does increase the front track width about 1.5 inches per side. A nice thing that Zone does here, as well as BDS, is they brace the front differential here with this added brace. And they'll actually tie in between the two cross members. They have another little tie-in piece here that runs between the lower control arm drop cross members. There's the optional, they call it a skid plate. It's really like the splash guard that would replace where the plastic factory one is on the truck. It does come, the kit does come with the differential skid plate here. That's the optional one that you can buy for the Zone kit. And in the back is just going to get blocks like you'd expect, and new U-bolts. And we got some sway bar drop downs here as well. And then it's getting Fox 2.0s in the back. Normally these kits are supposed to come with the Fox Adventure Series shocks, but Fox has dropped the ball and decided to really mess up production on the Fox Adventure Series shocks, so they haven't been available for the longest time. So we've replaced pretty much that option with the 2.0 series Fox 2.0 Performance Series shocks, which is the aluminum smooth body shock that you would normally get in a BDS kit. They actually still say BDS on them. So that's something that we changed ourselves on our kits because Fox just wasn't coming through for us. So we're gonna go ahead and get installed on the truck. Alright guys, so we got the Zone. This is the 6.5-inch kit. This is gonna be the biggest kit Zone makes for these trucks. We got it all installed here on the truck, so you can see all the components as they are installed. Obviously you got your new steering knuckles here, the lower control arm drop cross members. Like I said before, the thing with the Zone kit, they use an upper strut spacer as opposed to like a BDS kit, which will use the replacement strut. Just one of the ways they keep the costs down to make the Zone kits more affordable. You got your sway bar drop brackets here, so you can see the sway bar is nice and level, which is a good thing. New sway bar end links as well. Those are going to be longer than the factory ones. You can see the differential drops here is a key component to any lift kit, really, to bring the front differential down to make the CV axles at a nice level there where they're not going to be binding up from too much lift. You can see the differential skid plates in here, cross members, everything like that. That's pretty much really the main components up front here. Ow. I don't think there's anything else. Oh, you could see this is the optional splash guard, as we mentioned. I believe it's a $60-some option just to get this little Zone piece here. From the factory, they just have a plastic little piece. So it's nice to get that if you'd like it. And then in the back, nothing special. Same stuff we always see pretty much. Just gonna be blocks in the back. And then new U-bolts, bump stop relocations to bring the bump stops down, Fox 2.0s in the rear as opposed to the regular Fox Adventure Series. And then the only other thing is the brake line relocation brackets. You can see it moves the brake lines up, and these aren't tight, which is good, and that's what it's designed for. The only other thing is then you relocate the e-brake cables as well. As you can see, normally this cable's up here. They just have you move it so everything's not being bound up. And really that's about it for the Zone 6.5-inch kit on for 14 and up 1500 Chevy and GMCs.